With a welding degree, I mean, you've opened a lot of doors. Well, you can stay local, you can go out on the road. We try to cater to our local industry to keep some of these students local so we can help feed our economy. We start off with arc welding, work our way into MIG, and then we go to a TIG welding. We offer a Certificate A, a Certificate B, and we also cater to a associate's degree. We have great employment right after graduation. Most of our students are ready to go out into the workforce immediately.
I'm a hands-on learner, and I went to several other colleges. I got tired of sitting in classrooms with books and everything else and wanted to make a change.
I think it's going to boost my opportunity of getting a good job somewhere and put me over other people that haven't got the experience that I got. I got a lot of academic scholarships, and it paid for most of my college, so I'm basically going here for free right now.
Only in my first year in welding, and I already have a job. In the future, once I graduate, it should improve my standings with work and experience and everything else.